So we've just left Smithton and we're heading to Trowatta. I think that's how you say it.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Base Highway A2.
So we're going down the bus highway. We're hoping we're going the right end. It says Arthur River, but we wanted to go Trowatta, so I don't know which end we're going down, Graham.
I've stopped and see.
Yuck! There's an abattoir just on the left of us. It smells hideous. We just put some fuel in the car here at Smithton at $3.15 for diesel.
Meters at the roundabout. Take the first exit onto Scotchtown Road, C217.
Circular Head Pony Club down there. Edith Creek
Exit the roundabout
and
onto Scotchtown Road.
So that's tall timbers there. It's a donation camp. It says Edith Creek 14, Zeehan 177. Sadly, we won't be going as far as Zeehan. We wanted to next time. Just because I liked that tree. So this is the bus highway, and in about 4.5 k's we'll be turning onto Trowatta Road.
Turn right onto Trowutta Road, B22.
Alright, we are officially turning on to Trowutta. I'm not going to say Trowutta, that's
Continue
stupid.
on Trowutta Road for 16 kilometers.
There you go, that's what we'll be doing. So this starts the Tarkine Loop. I bet the Tarkine Loop's not as loopy as me. You see that Cadbury's Dairy Milk vehicles down there? If we saw the Cadbury's Dairy Milk trucks down there, these must be the Cadbury's cows. Have you got any cream eggs? So we stay on this road for 13 k's and then we get to the RV park. So that's not far out of Smithton at all. Don't know why you'd actually stay at Tall Timbers when you can stay here and be closer to all the walks. This farm's called Jamboree. There's a very pretty row of trees. What are they doing down there? Oh, it's a dairy, Tasmanian dairy, Dutch mill. Edith Creek Primary School over there. They've obviously been logging up there. I don't know if you can see all those trees down. Piles of them. So many dairy farms out here. About 5.8 k's away from the campsite. Starting to look more like I expected it to be. A lot more trees and foresty. And the first bit of wiggle road. Ascending. Oh dear. We've disturbed the crow's lunch, or the raven, should I say. Only 1.7 k's to go. Fair bit of logging getting done around here by the looks of things. And lots of stinky cows everywhere. That's a rare sight. Telstra phone box.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Oh. Oops.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay. It's just like a big open paddock.
Doesn't look like there's anyone in the office here, does it?
Okay. So the sites are marked. There's numbers on them. I just read that it was $50 for three nights or $20 a night.
You have to go around there, do you, or something?
Let's follow the arrow. It's very quiet and it doesn't look like you can have fires. That looks like
Maybe in
it's a
there.
shared area.
Oh, there's a lady. So every day.
So just behind us there, the club rooms. There's a toilet in there, pool table and other things. This area here is your laundry. I think I can see fire pits, but I don't think you're allowed to have them here. Okay, we're just pulling into number 4. Right, I'm going to sign off now. Ciao.